Ever wondered what cool stuff you might be missing on your Samsung phone after the One UI 7.0 update? Most people notice the updated look or how smooth everything feels, but some of the best features are hidden in plain sight. These small changes can actually make using your phone feel more fun and personal, and you probably haven't even tried them yet. Let's start with something playful. Samsung has added a smart new tool to its keyboard that lets you create stickers just by typing out a short sentence. Imagine typing a sleepy cat on a pillow and seeing that exact image turn into a sticker right from your keyboard. It uses artificial intelligence to create a visual version of what you type. No more searching through sticker packs or downloading extra apps. Now your ideas become your own custom stickers with just a few taps. If you're into doodling or drawing, there's another new feature you'll enjoy. One UI 7.0 introduces Drawing Assist, which lets you turn your sketches into stickers too. Just draw something, a star, a heart, or even something silly, then tap the sticker option and it instantly saves your artwork as a usable sticker. You also get a few different styles to choose from, so your sketch can have a unique look. It's an easy way to make conversations more creative and personal. The update also brings improvements to the Gallery app, especially when it comes to photo collages. Now you can make your own layout instead of choosing from pre-made templates. Just pick your photos, tap Create, and go for the freeform option. This lets you move, resize, and rotate your pictures however you like. You could even change the background color, blur it out, or add rounded corners to your images. It's all about giving you full control over how your collage looks, whether you're making something for social media or just for fun. Multitasking has also been improved. If you use floating pop-up windows for apps like Notes or Messages, you'll notice a smarter feature added. When you minimize these windows, they turn into small icons that float under screen. Tap one of those icons and now you can see previews of all the minimized apps. That means you won't waste time reopening each one to find what you're looking for. It's a small tweak, but it helps a lot when you're juggling multiple apps at once. For those who like taking photos, Samsung made a thoughtful change to the camera app. Before, every time you close the app, it would reset your exposure settings. Now it remembers them. So if you prefer your photos to be brighter or darker in certain modes like Pro or Night mode, the camera keeps those settings ready for next time. It's a tiny detail, but it saves you time and makes shooting photos a lot smoother. These updates might not be big headlines, but they add a lot to how you use your phone every day. From creating stickers on the spot to smarter multitasking and helpful camera settings, One UI 7.0 focuses on the small things that really matter. These features make your device feel more like yours, customized to how you use it. If you've already upgraded, try out these tools and see which ones become your favorite. And if you're still waiting for the update, these are definitely some things to get excited about. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you learn something new, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more simple tips and updates. Are you trying to figure out which smartphone truly stands out as the best in the market right now? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max? These two devices have created a storm in the tech world, pushing the limits of performance and innovation. With Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra entering the ring with its cutting-edge technology, the competition between the two becomes more intense. While many factors like design, ecosystem, and user experience play a role in making a choice, let's focus purely on the performance aspect, using benchmark scores to compare the raw power these devices bring to the table. In the world of performance testing, Geekbench has long been a reliable tool for measuring the capability of a smartphone's CPU and GPU. This tool gives us a way to compare both devices in a way that removes the guesswork and focuses entirely on numbers. So let's take a deeper look at how both of these devices perform under the hood. When it comes to single-core performance, Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max has traditionally been the leader. Powered by Apple's 18 Pro chip, the iPhone 16 Pro Max achieved an impressive single-core score of 3457. This score places it slightly ahead of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which scored 3220 with a Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor. Apple's consistent dominance in this area shows its ability to deliver top-notch performance in tasks that rely heavily on a single core, such as opening apps or web browsing. However, when we switch to multi-core performance, the competition flips entirely. Here, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra showcases its superior power, scoring an outstanding 10,223, leaving the iPhone 16 Pro Max trailing behind with a score of 8553. This clear gap shows just how well Samsung's Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor handles demanding multitasking or high-performance tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, or gaming. Samsung's superior multi-core performance makes it a force to be reckoned with, especially for those who require their devices to juggle multiple processes at once. Interestingly, Both the 18 Pro and the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy are built using the same cutting-edge 3nm process from TSMC, known as the second generation N3E node. Despite using similar technology, the difference in multi-core performance is a testament to the strength of the Snapdragon processor's architecture, which is optimized to handle more threads simultaneously. This gives Samsung the upper hand in multi-core processing tasks. Another important aspect that contributes to the Galaxy S25 Ultra's edge in multi-core benchmarks is its CPU design. The Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy features performance cores clocked at 4.47 GHz, slightly higher than the standard Snapdragon 8 Elite, which peaks at 4.32 GHz. This small but significant increase in clock speeds allows the Galaxy S25 Ultra to maintain an advantage when running heavy applications that demand more power. In terms of software, the two devices run different operating systems. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra runs Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7 interface, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max operates on iOS 18.21. Both operating systems provide distinct experiences, with iOS focusing on simplicity and seamless integration within its ecosystem, while Samsung's One UI offers a more customizable experience, allowing users to tailor their phone to their specific preferences. It's important to note that while benchmark scores are useful, they don't tell a whole story. Real-world performance depends on many factors, including software optimization, battery life, and how users interact with their phones on a daily basis. If you're someone who prioritizes quick performance for single-thread tasks like app opening or browsing the web, the iPhone 16 Pro Max might feel snappier. However, if you're a power user who regularly switches between apps, multitasks, or plays resource-intensive games, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's ability to handle multiple processes simultaneously will likely provide a smoother and more efficient experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Apple also making progress in developing its own 5G modems. The iPhone 16e is rumored to feature Apple's first in-house modem, the C1, which is expected to prioritize power efficiency. However, it reportedly lacks support for Moonwave 5G, a technology that enables the fastest 5G speeds. This could give Qualcomm's X85 modem an advantage, particularly for users who demand the highest possible performance from their devices. Qualcomm has also highlighted additional benefits of the X85, including improved location tracking for better navigation and AI-driven 5G optimizations that further enhance the user experience. Beyond its impressive 5G capabilities, the Galaxy S26 is expected to set a new benchmark for flagship smartphones. The combination of faster speeds, advanced AI optimizations, and improved battery efficiency makes it a compelling upgrade over the Galaxy S25. For users who frequently download large files, stream high-definition content, or engage in mobile gaming, these enhancements could make a noticeable difference in day-to-day usage. That is it for today. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official release, and let us know your thoughts on these exciting advancements in the comments below.